you've helped large Fortune 500 companies adopt, some parts and pieces of the industrial 4.0 revolution, IoT. What have been the most common mistakes that companies make when trying to adopt these IoT solutions?
Not having quite the right level of appreciation of the right type of data that you need to gather and how to gather that data. Now, we talked about these legacy machines. There's a lot of information that exists within those control systems that can be utilized, but it's typically quite noisy, processed data, and it's influenced by a lot of other parameters. One of the things that we work very hard with our customers is showing them how they can exploit that data, but there's levels of processing that has to take place. And that appreciation that, the data fundamentally has to have information within it related to the condition of the machine. There's no, magic here within the algorithms of machine learning. They can only learn from of the information that's available, what you tell them. So that's an important aspect, is being prepared and ready and having an understanding of good condition monitoring practice. Other aspects as well that we would relate to, kind of lessons learned, is being very aware of the cultural shift that's going to happen in your organization. Some people feel threatened by, software analytics and think that jobs are going to go and we're all going to, be replaced by automated services. That's not necessarily the case, because the demand is increasing, margins are reducing, and people have to just work smarter. And that's really, really key for us, understanding, or having the maintenance team understand that we're there to help, there to give them more information and help them move from that reactive position to the proactive. But that takes support right from the top of an organization all the way down to get that cultural change. It's definitely not bottom up.
Absolutely. We actually hear something very common as well, where it's like almost a fear of embracing technology. But at the end of the day, what we see so much is that technology enables people, maintenance technicians, facility managers, to do their jobs better and be more efficient and ultimately run their facilities much smarter. It's still people at the end of the day turning wrenches. I'm excited for the day that, machines, robots automatically repair themselves, change the filter. I'm excited for that day, but I think it's a little bit farther out.